In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get WhatsApp Meta AI using your PC. Whether you spend a lot of time working from your desktop or simply prefer the convenience of a larger screen, accessing Meta AI directly from WhatsApp on your PC can greatly enhance your communication experience. Now, let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to have WhatsApp Desktop ready to go. If you haven't already installed it, go ahead and download it from the official WhatsApp website. Alternatively, you can use WhatsApp Web if you prefer accessing it through your browser. Either way, it's crucial to link your desktop interface with your phone to sync your messages and contacts seamlessly. To do this, open WhatsApp on your phone, tap on the three vertical dots at the top right to open the menu, then select Linked Devices. Here, you'll find an option to link a device. Aim your phone's camera at the QR code displayed on your desktop screen, which will immediately connect your devices. Once set up, make sure WhatsApp on your phone is updated to the latest version. Keeping the app up to date isn't just about new features. It also ensures optimal compatibility with desktop versions and fixes potential security vulnerabilities. You can check for updates by visiting the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, depending on your device. Next, it's time to look for the Meta AI icon on your mobile device. Typically, this will appear as a colorful ring, signaling that Meta AI is ready to be accessed. If you don't see it immediately, give it a little time. Sometimes new features are rolled out gradually, so patience can be key. When the icon does appear on your phone, you're all set to enable it on the desktop as well. Now, direct your attention back to the desktop app. In the left sidebar, keep an eye out for the same Meta AI icon you just found on your phone. Clicking this icon will open a chat window where you can directly interact with Meta AI. Here, you can explore a range of functions, from setting reminders, managing tasks, or simply asking questions. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're not only equipped to connect to Meta AI via your PC, but are also prepared to maximize your productivity or simply streamline your workflow using AI technology directly within WhatsApp. Don't hesitate to dive into Meta AI's features and see how it can assist you in staying organized and efficient. Thanks for joining me today, and have a great time experimenting with WhatsApp Meta AI on your PC.